The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go.
On the road again.
Hello!
Hi there. So
And welcome to a new vlog series.
Adventures with Sarah and Robert. I'm Robert and that's Sarah. So we've not done a vlog for a while. We're heading down to Dartford in Kent. So we've just been at Doncaster. So we stayed there overnight. We would have started the vlog earlier this morning, but we left the memory card in the car. So that's a great start.
Also, we stayed at the Premier Inn last night at Doncaster Lakeside, but we're staying there again on Wednesday night, so in a few days time from now. So we'll show you that when we get back there. So there's no point in showing you twice because that would just be silly. So we went into Doncaster, got some shopping. When we get to Dartford, I'd forgotten the name there. I'll show you what I bought from Primark. Oh my god, it's the most amazing hoodie. We also stopped at Boots. I got some Benefit makeup, spent a lot of money. I got my brows all waxed and tinted and they look beautiful. So I managed to get that done because I never managed to get it done before we left home because I was so busy with work. But we are currently 2 hours and 20 minutes away from our final destination. So it's Freddie's first road trip. So we are on the road.
On the road again.
Now, why are we on the road? Why are we on the road, Roberto?
So we're on the road because we're going on a Disney cruise.
So look forward to some Disney cruise vlogs.
We're leaving from Tilbury. Yeah, we're leaving from Tilbury, so we're getting on the cruise on Monday, so today's Saturday. So we've got a couple of days before we get on the ship.
We're also going to Legoland tomorrow,
yeah.
So we're going to do that tomorrow, but we're just kind of heading down south to get our base near the dock so that we're there, because obviously from where we stay to the ship is a 9-hour drive, so we thought we'd go down a few days before. Anyway, our battery's running low,
so we'll catch you later.
So we shall catch you later once we've changed the battery.
So we're at Dartford and apparently this is the Queen Elizabeth Bridge.
Look at the ships. I don't know if the Magic's in because I don't know where it is. I don't know if they're currently out on cruise or I don't see it. So I think they must be out on cruise now. Because look at all these ports. I don't know if that's the port that we're going to. I don't imagine it is, but there's a port there. There's quite good views over that side as well. It's quite, there's big ferries and stuff like that.
So we'll check in with you later.
We have arrived. So we are in the Holiday Inn Express
at
Dartford, on University Way or something like that. So it's we need to go over the Dartford crossing to get to the ship, but it isn't too far. It's a lot further from Scotland, so it's obviously nearer. So
it's just across the bridge.
It's just across the bridge. Fingers crossed the crossing is okay. So we're going to give you a quick room tour of this room, and then what we're going to do is we're going to chill, we'll go for dinner, and then I'm not really sure what else we're going to do today. Probably not too much. Tomorrow we're going to Legoland Windsor, so you'll see a Legoland Windsor vlog from us. I might just see what's there. We have the Discovery Pass for Merlin, just the kind of the cheap basic one, and they released extra dates that we could use it, so we're taking opportunity to do that. So let's get the room tour done. You come in through the door. I'm at the door here. On to your right, and there's the bathroom. So it's just like a shower. It's quite a large shower. Toilet, sink, extra towels, towel rail, just your standard bathroom. Decent, tidy, a wee bit worn and torn here and there, but as you would expect. There's, on your left at the door, places to hang stuff. And then there's wee slots in here for storage. You've got an iron and an ironing board, which is quite good because we do actually need one. A full length mirror. Holler! Somewhere to hang your stuff. There is a couch to chill out on. So Robert's going to be watching the football and having a beer. So I'm assuming that's what you're doing. Yeah. And a wee table. I'm assuming that pulls out into another bed.
Yeah.
You have a double bed. And at each side of the double bed, you have these wee pull-out reading lights. And, excuse the iron brew. Wherever a Scot goes, there's iron brew. There's a plug and USB, and that's at both sides of the bed, which is really super handy. Just in front, we've got a really large Samsung TV, which is pretty cool. And then there's like a bench area for like your teas and coffees, put your mobile phone in your mask, and put all your, it looks like we've actually moved house, doesn't it? But it's just because we were away for a week. So really handy area to sit all your junk essentially. And then there's another wee storage bit here where you can put stuff underneath, and then a couple of shelves, and that's for sitting your suitcase on top of, which is pretty decent. The view is just over people's houses, but we're not here for the view, we're here for the Disney magic. Overall, it's a pretty decent room. We'll let you know what the bed's like.
Yeah, so we got it for a really good price too.
How much was it?
£83 for 2 nights.
That's pretty decent. So it is. And there's a really fandangled hanging light. I'm assuming that's to be like modern or something like that. I don't know. And there's also more plug sockets like next to that table as well. So that would be good if you were pulling that out and using that as a bed as well.
Or if you're working.
Or if you're working, you could pull that over. But yeah, pretty good size, decent room. We'll have another room tour of the other hotel room that we've got, because we're staying at a hotel twice. We've already stayed there as we said, but on the way back up to Scotland we'll be staying there again, and we'll show you about that in that area as well, because we really liked that, we did. My eyebrows are awesome. Just need to do the rest of my makeup now to match. So we're off to chill, and we'll probably catch us at dinner time. I wanted to show you the awesome hoodie I got here. Like I forgot to show you. This is my new Donald Duck hoodie. It was only 14 whole of my pounds from Primark. So yes, that'll be getting worn on the ship. I cannot actually wait. Also got, oh hello, that lighting's horrific. There we go. The sun's starting to set, that's why. So I also got a whole load of makeup from Benefit. So I got a wee setting spray. Let's see if it's not focusing on it. I got a professional. Robert. Professional. I got another hula. I've already got one, but it was in the kit already. I got a Gimme Brow. Another professional, a different kind of one. I got the Real Magnet mascara, which is absolutely amazing. That's the best one that they have. I 100% would recommend. I got the Promenade, the Brow Promenade, which I've got on just now, which I look on fleek, I would say. Robert thinks that's hilarious, me saying that. I think that's all I got. I think that's all I got. Let's see if this. There we go. Yes, I think that's all I got. So we're heading out to Blue Water right now. My hair could do with a bit of a restyle, but we'll just chuck it back like that and hope for the best, and we'll fix it in the morning. So let's go get some dinner and then we wander around Blue Water. we're back from Bluewater and we didn't really record there. It was very busy and hectic. We went to the Gourmet Burger Kitchen for food, which was delicious. I ended up getting some of my barbecue sauce from my burger down me. I had the American burger, which was a patty with American cheese, lettuce, tomato. I took the dill pickle off because I don't like that. And it was delicious with some onion rings. And what did you have?
I had the Mighty Burger, so it was 2 patties, with bacon and cheese. And
then we had some skinny fries as well, didn't we?
yeah.
We also had a wee wander round the shopping centre. We don't have anything really on that scale in Scotland, to be honest. No. Really. So we had a wee wander around. We had another Primark purchase. Robert's going to show us what we got. So.
Well, I got a Batman t-shirt. I like Batman. Always have done.
It's only what, £6 or something like that?
Mm.
You're excited to wear this when you go to Universal, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. Maybe wear it tomorrow. It's Mo Sizzlack t-shirt from The Simpsons.
And then hold up mine.
So said I seen this in Doncaster, but it didn't have a size. So this is what Sarah's got. So Donald Duck t-shirt.
Yeah. I really wanted that to match the hoodie, but they didn't have my size. Are you going to model the other thing that I got, which I'm so excited to sit out in my stateroom when I get on the cruise?
It's a brush.
And it's got, what's it got on the back of the paddle?
Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. I've got a really fancy paddle brush that cost a fortune and it kind of broke.
Yeah.
It's
the same one that the Queen gets.
So yes. So hopefully tomorrow you'll see, well, you'll not see it tomorrow, probably the next week if when you're watching this, to be honest. But you will see us at Legoland Windsor. That'll be a separate video. What we'll do is we'll continue this video on probably when we get back from Legoland. When we're maybe doing other things. But we'll just have a separate video for Legoland because that's probably the most sensible thing to do. Then it's still time for Disney Cruise. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So Robert's got himself a Magners cider. I've got Iron Brew, and you're thinking, Sarah, you're in England. How did you get Iron Brew? Well, I'm a prepared Scottish person.
You bought it in Scotland?
I bought it in Scotland and brought it with me.
You can still get it in England.
You probably could still get it in England, but you don't get the diet stuff, and I prefer the diet stuff. Sorry to all those connoisseurs of Iron Brew, but I just prefer the taste of the diet stuff.
I like Iron Brew Extra too.
Yeah, so, yes, I brought it with me. I've even took it to America before. I'm not going to say sorry about it. It's just a thing. It's just a thing. So, we're off to chill for the evening. I'm going to go and watch some vlogs, I think. Robert's going to have his Magners. And we'll catch up with you tomorrow night in this video. But you'll see us also tomorrow at Legoland Windsor in another video.
Yeah, so stay tuned.
So stay tuned. And we'll see you in either or.
Bye.
Thank you very much for watching today's video. Remember, if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button down below. Leave this video a big huge like and leave a comment. We love hearing from you and we love reading all comments. Thank you.